still in the descent.
Echo Tango, contact centre 128 decimal 4. G'day.
128 decimal 4.
When we get to 3 miles, I've slowed down already. The timer up, which I've got.
Yep.
And go to heading mode, which is there, straight ahead, OBS, and the inbound track is 033, so course bar. So 033. There. When we get there, we'll use heading mode to turn onto the outbound track, which is 213.
Yep.
There we go. It's 213.
But you do want to have some sort of correction for a crosswind. So we've got 19 at the moment, that's obviously going to die down a bit.
Yep.
So you don't get blown past the inbound course.
So we've got it coming from our left side, so half of that, say 7.
Keep the magenta diamond on the tail.
I've never been able to do that.
Probably go a couple more degrees.
The left?
Left, yeah.
Okay, and we're our wings level, so we can start the timer.
Yep.
And we have 7 tailwind. So that'll be 7 seconds off the minute. Then we come around, and its inbound track is 033, so we want to go 30 degrees past that, so 063 to intercept.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Correct.
I usually do 45 degrees, but if you want to do 30, then that's fine.
Right.
Because it will take you a longer time to intercept on a 30 degree versus a 45.
Okay, so 45 is 78, so 80 degrees, 080. Do that?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, sounds good.
That's 50 seconds now, so we can come around to that.
Montana, good afternoon, Rex 32, 81, South 340 Alpha, taxiing Wagga 4 Melbourne, runway 23.
Rex 32, 81, Melbourne, Center, g'day, squawk 4033, no reported IFR traffic.
4033, Rex 32, 81.
Gonna need that timer again anyway. And we could come on to nav now, wouldn't that be a good idea?
Good.
I have sailed off towards Tassie a few times. And when we want to start our descent, so 3490, that's 500 feet in the initial approach fix before Whiskey India, and then Whiskey India we start our real descent from there. We want to come down to, say, 3,500 after we get to Whiskey Bravo.
Okay.
Latrobe Valley traffic, IFR Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor, 10 miles to the southwest for a missed approach over the field at 1,000 feet. And a left turn after the missed approach, exiting to the southwest.
Latrobe Valley RWY.
Okay, so at Whiskey India, which is 0.2 miles, we want to come down to 1700 and vertical speed. So, Whiskey India, 4 miles to run to Whiskey Foxtrot. We should be at 3170. 70.
70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. so we can see LNAV is on the HSI.
Yep.
That usually comes up when this leg is at Whiskey India to Whiskey Foxtrot.
Yep. Okay. Another mystery solved. 3 miles 2850. Miles 2900. So that's okay. 2 miles 2530. And all those imaginary clouds mean I can't see the runway yet.
Altitude.
Five 60 30 feet high. That's okay. 1 mile 2210.
And now that we've crossed the final approach fix, we can set in the next altitude.
Okay, which is 1,000 feet. Didn't do that one anyway. So 4 miles 1490. This is going to be a thing of beauty. 4 miles, 1490, perfect. 2.8 miles, whatever that is. It's 1,100 feet.
Oh, do you want to do this under the autopilot?
Yes, please.
Okay, so just hit Alt.
Right.
Alt. We don't have to go miss straight away. So we can
Okay.
have a bit of a level segment. So let's just,
Right.
take your time. Don't rush anything.
I've got Alt.
Okay, cool. So now it's maintaining altitude. Looks like this hasn't suspended itself.
Right, so we hit
no,
OBS.
you don't have to do anything because it
Okay.
hasn't suspended itself. Now you can go full power, set a rate of climb, vertical speed.
Alt. Vertical speed. 500 feet a minute. We're still in nav.
Yep, that's it. And just set the altitude select over there to 39. Same as on the screen.
And is that this will transition once we go past the threshold?
Because it didn't suspend itself, that's why. We didn't come down to the minima.
Right.
It came down to 750, then it would have suspended itself.
Okay, we got to 800, so it needs us to get right onto the minima.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give that a shot next time. So we're going up at 400. Let's make it 600 now. Because we're doing 120 knots.
Yeah, we are. Okay, looks like it did suspend. You see that?
Yep.
So just press
unsuspend.
Yep. There we go. It looks like as soon as you cross the runway waypoint, it just suspends itself automatically.
Okay.
But it also suspends itself when you go below a certain altitude.
Yep. Well, I've calmed the speed down a little bit, given it a bit more vertical speed.
Yeah.
So when we get to Whiskey Hotel, we've got to turn left, track 230. And Whiskey Hotel is 1.1 miles away. We'll do that on heading.
But wouldn't it do it on its own, or no?
I don't know. Because the last point is Whiskey Hotel. It's just going to get us there and that's the end of it.
Let's see what happens.
Right. I'll put this to 230 anyway.
Yep.
City 281 star clearance available.
City 281, go ahead.
City 281, cleared the Voice 8 Alpha arrival for runway 16, Maintain flight level 180.
Okay, so next heading 230.
Flight level 180, ARX 3281.
There we go. We're cheating.
Might tell Latrobe Valley that we've gone.
Yep.
Latrobe Valley traffic, IFR Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor has departed the circuit area, turning left for a heading of 230, climbing to 6,000 feet. Latrobe.
Latrobe Valley RWY.
Should have told them what altitude I was at.
Yeah, that's right.
So, are we now? We're still dependent on this approach plane, aren't we?
Yeah.
So the next thing I've got to do is go to the next approach. So, at what point?
Put in the next flight plan.
Put in the next flight plan. So once we're on 230, it's basically done its job, isn't it?
Yeah. Yep. That's it.
Okay, so we're at 94 knots. That's okay. 600 feet a minute. That's okay.